This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a Ford Courier GL, stock reference number 3964. This shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 11th month 2006. It has a G6 2.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. G6 2.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front. It's fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left manual door mirror. Left door has light wobbles, suited good private. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got the Flexiglass alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets. Hayman and Reese towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 2 small dents and light wobbles through the centre of the door. Right hand manual door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle has manual window regs. It's fitted with dark grey cloth interior, dark grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls missing the knobs, factory Panasonic CD player, single stack, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.